Hey guys, hope everyone are doing great. And it's been a very long time since I put videos on YouTube. So today I'm gonna unbox a special gift from my mother. This is my mother's gift for me, and we're gonna make this quick. So let's start. Cover. Done. This is a little glimpse. Here you go. Another box. It kind of irritates, but it's for safety, so that the package is not damaged. So here is it. Sheets. Then there is another box. Done. And this is my so this is my earbuds. My mother bought it for me as a gift. Thank you very much, mommy. I love you. So this is the Airdopes PRIME. Okay, hybrid active noise cancellation. Okay, good. Let's unbox this too. Where is this? Wait, I'll use scissors. That's better. Yep. 2 minutes, guys. It came off. Then, dun tada. Let's open the box. It should come out by now. Another safety. Okay, got it. Usually these type of products have more safety. The parcel is not damaged, guys. And here we go, the first look. We take this off, and there are earbuds actually. So this is covered. This is from the boat company, and here you go, blue one. We got some blue earbuds, guys. Earbuds. Thank you, mommy. I love this a lot, and I love you too. So this is it. And what's next? If we open this, we have some accessories like, what's this? Hashtag be a boat head. Okay, sorry guys, it's been a very long time since I did videos like unboxing, so yeah, it's kind of getting delayed because I have more work to do, so no time for videos. But soon I'll make more videos because holidays are coming, like for Diwali and etc. We have the manual here, what to use and how to use. See, how to connect, etc. I'll read this later. And then we have our, wait, what's this? I think these are extra pairs of those buds. Yeah, these are the extra pairs. We got 4 of them, which means 2 pairs. Thanks. And the next one, actually this one is my second earbud. My first one got damaged, so my mother bought this for me as a gift. Love you, mom. Again. And this is a charger cable, not cable, wire. Okay, so this is the final product, and a short one, but I like this because this is cute, and I like the shape, I like the structure of using this. Thank you, mom. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Have a good day.